What's good, YouTube? So today I did end up taking, well, I'll be doing 2 recaps in this video because I did take an Asia session gold trade and I also took setup this morning. So we start off with Asia. Coming in, I was already bullish on the day. We had relative equal highs up here on silver, especially. It looks like more engineered liquidity up here. We have these relative equal highs here, here, and here. This was around the daily point on silver, so it's kind of where I was eyeing. We were bullish on the daily, as you can see. Cut straight through this value gap, inverse it. We started to displace higher. No real swing points here, just some low resistance highs and this order block. And that swing high all the way up there. So at my bullish bias, we then created SMT with silver in this area on the hourly, and if we drop down to the 15, we were consolidating, had low resistance, swept this liquidity, created SMT here inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute order block, started displacing higher, and what I waited for was the 1-minute break of structure paired with displacement higher. We just had to throw that. All right. Yeah. Inversion, sweep, value gap, market structure shift, and then we started displacing higher. It was a pretty clean move to silver's daily high. My full TP would have been here for a 1 to 14, but I did end up taking out 1 to 7, and I think later on it did hit full TP. Yeah, it did hit full. But yeah, that was my Asia session trade. Nothing too crazy. Just a really good setup. Clean setup. I've been flying recently, so glad I could catch this long. And then let's go to NQ. We dumped after this, but anyways, bullish on NQ. I was in between bullish and bearish because of, I don't know if we'll be able to see it here. This looked like shallow retracement and we didn't have enough liquidity. It looked like we were going to come down, sweep this low into a 4-hour fair value gap, which we did, but not near the open. What made me take this long, or like interested in it instead of the retracement, was because we did have SMT with all of these lows on ES and YM, and then ES/YM started to push along with NQ. So with NQ being the leading asset, I wanted to take that. Down to the 15, we had SMT here, like I said. No real fair value gaps or order blocks in this area. Nothing on the 30, I think, either. Nothing anywhere else. But we had SMT here. Created our swing. If we're going to respect this swing to continue higher, then our most recent high would be my target. I waited for ES to take out all the lows first. So once I saw us start to displace higher on the 1 minute, I took my entry here off of this displacement, stop in the middle of this order block. Ideally you'd have it deeper, and then like ideally you'd have it here. Still a 1 to 3 regardless. Yeah, this was the target. Anything higher than that is cool. I kind of just trailed my stop after this and took me on the 3R regardless. But that was fine. Once again, SMT combined with an hourly swing, combined with displacement higher, market structure shift would have been here. All I needed was a CSD and displacement, because we were going up across all assets, which is always a great sign for either side of the market. Yeah, hopefully you guys were able to catch something. I think we did end up dumping later on in the day, so maybe if you guys caught shorts, I'm not sure. It looks pretty great though. I will see you guys in the next recap. Oh, and I was able to request another payout today with that win. Yeah, stay blessed. I'll see y'all tomorrow, maybe.